Hello guys, this is Amandeep Singh here, and this is the third video for the HTML. In this video, it's a very simple video. We'll be talking about how to add images to the web. That is it, nothing more. So let's go. So open a blank file, and right underneath it, click yeah, I double click it. I was having some issues. Save as. Name it as a image.html, and we have an image file now. So basically, for the image, we're gonna have an img tag. So let me just talk about it a little bit. So the img tag has no closing tag after. So basically, we just type in a source with a path, and that tells the browser where the image is. So here we go. img, no tag after it. Type in the src equals, the path, and then we close the tag afterwards. But it is better if you put the image in the folder, the test folder. So in order to do that, you will have to make a new folder just for the images. I'm gonna name it as im. So I'll put that, and I'm gonna put a picture in there. The picture I'm gonna put is a pancake picture in there. So right here. So underneath this test, we see an iron which has a pancake to it, pancake JPEG. So that has the path to it. It's telling us where it's located. So we just take that, copy that, paste it here, save it, and run it. And that looks delicious. But yeah, so we got the picture, we got everything now. So now they might say, hey, you know what? We need to add some wordings underneath it. So we'll close that. I'm gonna go to this UK time, copy this, and add a paragraph. And I'll add the wordings underneath the picture and save that and run it. Alright, so we got the wordings now. Someone might say, hey, you know what, everything looks good, but the image is way too large. And now we need to minimize the image a little bit. So all we have to do is go over here, right next to the image, space, width equals 200. Yeah, I'll just use 200. You guys can use anything you want. 300 is good too. But I like 200 better. Alright, so one thing I recommend is always using width. Do not use height. The reason is that, when you use height, things become a little unorganized. It might become a little lengthy. Oops, I forgot. So here we can see how it looks. It doesn't look that pleasant to the eyes. I think keeping width is just perfect. It keeps the original size to it, keeps the proportions nicely. Yeah, so here we go. Now someone might say, you know what? I don't like the gaps between it. We need to add a little bit more gaps. All you have to do is this. Actually, keep it right next to it. Add a BR. BR will add a line breaker, just a little space. So there we go. If I want to add one more space to it, I just copy it. If you want to add more space, you can copy it more. So notice the image in the back, how it turns when we add more space to it. Yeah. So explore with it, play around with it. Keep it simple, nothing, complicated. So we added an image, we added a width to it, we added space to it, you know, and we added a paragraph to it. You know, it's just simple, nothing complicated at all. I hope you guys are learning and enjoying. Yeah, so seems simple, right? Nothing to it. We got an image. This right now. Stay tuned. I will be adding more stuff to it. Thanks for watching.